Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the complete setup guide for Canon EOS R50 V. So the first things first, we have this, and that's the charger for a battery. With it, we have the cable that we need to plug into the charger right here, and just plug in the other end. Now we have our camera, and with our camera we have the camera, the lens, the battery, and we will need a SD card. So the battery firstly goes into the charger, and as you can see, the charge indicator light up, so the battery is charging. Now we have our camera, our lens. Flip our lens and take out this lid. Now take out this lid from the camera and align this red dot with this red dot, like this, and twist. Now it is securely in place. As you can see, you can't take it off. To take it off, first you need to click this button and twist at the same time. Okay, now we have, when you flip the camera, this slot for battery and the card. Flip the lever to open, and now take the SD card and insert it right in here. You can see the slot, it is very thin, and when you insert it, just push it down till you hear a click. And the same thing with battery. First, take it off the charger, and now you can see here the cut off square, and it needs to go right here to push this gray lever upward, like this here, and just push the battery till you hear a click and the lever secures itself. To take the battery off, just push the lever upward and the battery shoots out. Now close this, hold in place, and flip the lever to close. And it's nearly done. The last thing we need to do is here flip this to on to enable a camera, but we can't see anything because of this lid. Click here, hold 1 and 2 levers at the same time, push it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.